वायब्रंट गोवा फाउंडेशन, गोय सरकार आणि सगळ्या उद्देग, वेपार, व्यावसायिक संस्थांच्या पालवान गोयान 8 ते 10 नोव्हेंबर मजगती दुसरी अमेझिंग गोवा संवसारीक व्यवसाय परिषद जातली. 6500 व्यावसायिक प्रतिनिधी सहित 52 देशांतल्या 542 विदेशी प्रतिनिधींनी पहिले परिषदेत वांटो घेतिल्लो. हे दुसरे परिषदेत वांटो घेवपाक वा हाचे विशीं म्हायती घेवपाक www.vibrantgoa.com वेबसायटीक भेट दिवची अशें आयोजकांनी सांगलां. पळोवया ही पुराय बातमी.
After the first edition in 2019, October 2019, though we had the COVID immediately thereafter within 6 months, we did not stop. There were multiple small events, very relevant ones which we conducted. It started with the hospitality roundtable, wherein all the stakeholders from hospitality, as far as the private players are concerned, the state government is concerned, central government is concerned, all were brought to a table. And finally, in fact, you would have noticed that the tourism board was the result of this roundtable which was held. Additionally, we also had a workshop as far as exports is concerned, so that more and more MSMEs and other industries could get into exports. In fact, after the first edition in 2019, more than 30 MSMEs started their export journey. Okay, so we knew that this is something that we need to encourage and we need to support. We therefore had this export promotion workshop along with EEPC, Engineering Export Promotion Council, which benefited more than 150 entrepreneurs, and I do believe quite a few of them have started working on getting into exports. Some of them already have got into exports. We also had in the month of March on tech, so hospitality, exports, we had a event, the Global Tech Summit in the month of March, and it was a highly successful summit. In fact, after that summit, we were invited, the Goan pavilion, we were asked to have a Goan pavilion at the Startup Mahakumbh in Delhi. Okay, because so far in the earlier editions, it was not there. We had it this time thanks to the Tech Summit which was conducted in the month of March. Now we are having the Sustainability Summit, and the Sustainability Summit is something which has come out primarily as an offshoot of the advice given by our chairman of the Board of Advisors, Mr. Suresh Prabhu. Inclusivity and sustainability are going to be the key cornerstones of Vibrant Goa Foundation as we move forward. Coming to the event itself, the Amazing-Goa 2024, I would request our president, Mr. Arman Bankley, to tell us about the preparation that is going on, the number of delegates who have registered. I'm talking mainly about overseas delegates and so on.